marshmallow fight because we are the Parallel Cousins! Camping trip, and your kids will love the Campfire Giant Roasters.
The video is dedicated to Mrs. Holman in Killeen, Texas, our church mom. Mrs. Holman! Cow! Wow! Kids! Marshmallow fight! Bye! 1, 2.
Ready?
Can we end it by saying goodbye?
And we are the Parallel Cousins! And we are the Parallel Cousins!
What's the name of the product? Today we use these Campfire Giant Roasters. You can buy these at Walmart for $4.49. Woodman, $2.49.